Shivit was actually started in 1993 when I was a young student in the UK. I was reading an article written by Dr. Banjok about holistic medical approach and natural healing process. It has given me tremendous inspiration to start creating Shivit later on in 2016. Shivit was purposely built for wellness and health improvement. We have facility to support many of our health programs, including a Wasu hydrotherapy and indoor swimming pool. Our shared vision with PSU has led us to joint collaboration to be the first educational hub in Phuket.
I have been doing breathing underwater since 2010. And I have done a lot of research, and my skill set is in breathing and the link between breathing, mindfulness and stress release.